Welcome to Quick Tech Tips, the new series exclusively on Imaginatron where even cats can learn how to operate tech. It's so simple. And since I'm so generous, there'll be a new tech tip every Thursday. Subscribe button's down there, you can thank me later. So, to kick off this series, today we are gonna apply dark mode to your Microsoft Office apps, because seriously, essays take hours to complete and your eyes take minutes to get ruined. Shouldn't have done that. Step 1. Open up Microsoft Word or any other Office app. Step 2. Go all the way down to the option that says Options and click on it. Kind of ironic, I know. Step 3. Go to the settings under Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. Step 4. Click on the drop-down menu for Office theme and choose black. Also make sure that Disable Dark Mode is unchecked. Step 5. Click on OK to save your changes. Step 6. Watch as Microsoft Word turns black. This change applies to all of your Microsoft Office apps. Step 7. Stop panicking about the page being black, because when you try to print it out, it will be white again. All normal. Step 8. Subscribe to Imaginatron for more awesome quick tech tips. There we go. Microsoft Office now available in dark mode. All of those steps are mandatory, especially the last one. I'm Karthik, this is Imaginatron, and I'll see you in the next one.